Hello, I'm Isaac Ajao. I want to explain and demonstrate how we make use of Microsoft Excel for data analysis. I will start from scratch. How do we activate it on our laptop? I go to Excel now. This is you go to File. So at the main menu here, the data analysis tool pack doesn't come with Excel uh, automatically. It comes under add in. You have to add it in, just like plugins some other software we use. So you go to file, you see option, you see adding here, click adding. So these are the application, active application adding, inactive application adding. See, these are the application adding we'll need later. We need all of them, some of these things we need them here. But the one we really want to use at this time is essay adding. Click on it. We later need this come adding, but still okay for now. So essay adding, we click go. Already I have it. That's why you can see what is available. Click OK. It's there already. How will you get it? Just go to your main menu again, click on data, you see data analysis coming up. So I want to explain using this data. Now this data, assuming this as scores, from students from 3 classes A, B, C, from a particular course. You want to compare their results. You want to describe these scores, because I said we are going to talk about descriptive statistics using Excel. Now, since we now have it, we have data analysis. This is data analysis tools. There are tools for financial and scientific data analysis. Click on it. When we click on it, we want to describe the data, we look for descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is the first thing to do for any potential a would-be data analyst or data scientist. So we just click on it. Under data analysis, we have a lot of them here. We have an ANOVA single factor, ANOVA two factor, ANOVA two factor without replication or correlation. They are arranged alphabetically. So, but the first thing to do is to describe the data. See, why are we even describing data? We need to know something about them. See, some analysis stop at descriptive without going to inferential. So there are two broad groups when we want to go into analysis in statistics. Two major ways. We describe it, then we make inference. That of description is what we call descriptive statistics. And what comes to our mind when we're talking about descriptive statistics, we need to know the mean if it's continuous data. You need to know the median. You also need to know the mode. It depends on the kind of data we are dealing with. They are all under measure of central tendency. Others are, you want to know the minimum, the maximum, you want to see relationship, and so on. Click OK. Now, the input range, there are two ways. You can come here and select direct like that, or I click on this. The same thing, just cover everything. Click on it back there. The next one, that is under inputs. There are two parts: inputs, the input range. This, as you can see, what it has covered what I selected here. Then we are grouping by column. You can also group by row. Most of our data come column wise. And if I fail to check this, there will be an issue, because Excel we see the first row as string, and you can analyze string. So because I've checked it now, it will ignore it and start the analysis for picking the data for the second row. So if I select row, I won't get good result because Excel will be expecting row wise. So I need to follow what is there, column. Then the output range. Output options. The first one here is output range. You can see under input, the first one is input range. Under output option, we have output range. Now, where do you want the result? That's the meaning. Is it going to be, I prefer having my result beside my data. If I want it to go to another sheet, I click on this. I will now instruct Excel what sheet to use. If I want another book, another new book entirely, that means Excel will go and open another file. That is it. So I prefer this. So we just click this, select a range. If it's not enough, Excel will increase it. So these are the expected result I need. I need summary statistics, confidence level for me. I need kth largest, kth smallest. Having done one of these, can click OK. If it's wrong, you will see error message. What is it? You're going to have error message. Now this is result. The mean is 23.7. So let me describe, because we say we want to do descriptive statistics. I said it earlier as some people that I've worked with started their work here and finish here. What do I mean? Having given this result, what they will tell you is that you should explain this. By the time you explain this, a page, this one another page, this one another page, they will put subcharts, and that's the end of the whole thing. So if I should explain this now, mean 23, because assuming we are seeing that we want to know the average mean, the average score of each class. This is the average score for class A, 23.7, and that of class B is 24.9. That one for me. These are the median. You can see this is very good data. What I mean is that you can see, look at the mean 23.7, the median 24, mode 24. You can see they are very close. They are very close. It means we don't have maybe outlier or extreme value here. And compare with this also. This 24.9, 25.6, 26, 23.8, 23.5. You can see the best class here. The most brilliant class is class B, having this mean score 26. You can see this one has 24. This one also has 24 here, approximately 24. So, and if you pick the other ones, standard deviation 4.27, you can see 18.2. So the variance here is high, 18.23. It means the values here, if you look at it, go and check, see. A, we have 21. The range here is 17. No wonder. That's why we have sample variance to be 18.23. So the variation here is too high. The variation here is low, 3.2. Here is 3.7. So if I will talk about dispersion also, is the best data. And when you go and look at it, because 25, 26, difference between them is just 1. This one is between 23, 26, 26 and 21. The deviation here is not too high. So, and having computed it, look at what we have. The sum is 237 here, 249 here, 238 here. The largest here is 31, largest here is 14, largest here is 27, 21. You can see the difference. So, for the test for normality, this will pass normality test down to remaining 2. So, the other we can do, I can also do it this way. Let's now change this to row. Assuming assuming this data comes row wise, what we need to do just copy, paste, transpose. So I've transposed this. So the row has become column and column has become row. So we want to analyze, all we need to do is just go back to our analysis. So where we pick column the other time, I go to pick row. So, and this has changed. I'm going to select the range of the data. So group by row. Then, you can see label in the first column, not in the first row now. Let's change it. So, and I want my results not here again. I want it here. No, I even prefer this place. So, you can see all of this can remain. We still need all of this one. Okay, you can see the result has not changed. You can see 3.7. So how we arrange it doesn't affect the results. But I mean, what I mean is that irrespective of what we put our columns and row, we need to specify it correctly. So that's all about it. We have described the three variables. The next video, the next lecture, we talk about how we can do some differential statistics. How do we compare? What we did here, we have not compared the mean. The one we did is just the descriptive statistics. We can compare, and now we take us to setting up hypotheses, taking a decision, and making conclusion. I normally say that I enjoy it. You can that Excel is very simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching.